Today is June 15.
I'm Arden.
I'm a Genk.
And this is Simon Says.
Hello from the new SEC space. Vicky, what's going on? Where are we?
So we are on the 4th floor. I believe everyone knows the space.
We are temporarily moving here for the summer and we are pretty excited about it.
Yeah.
The light is beautiful, the atmosphere is pleasant, and you guys, when you come here for the activities, you can use this space for lunch, for hanging out, and just to create that good and nice community.
Yeah, it's still the SEC. We are just from the 6th floor to the 4th floor, but you can still do everything here with us. Yes.
And we would like to see you here with us this week because we can help you prepare for your important days, right?
Yep.
So the students have...
You have a speaking exam on Wednesday and your written exam is on Friday.
And because we would like to make sure that you are successful, we have some tips for success.
Yes.
Sylvia is our EAP instructor and she has some tips for success during midterm. There is a speaking portion of the midterm. Sylvia, what can students do to succeed? What can you do to succeed?
So remember, your speaking exam is not very long, right? It's about 10 minutes. You want to ensure that you actually have a conversation with the other person. So do not talk at them, but with them. What I mean is have a conversation, so do not just pick up a question, answer it, then the other person answers it, and then that's it. It's like you check the box. No, instead have the question, talk about it, ask follow-up questions to make it more like a conversation.
And can you also give us some tips for the reflective writing in the written part?
Yes. So I would say two things. The first one is make sure it is a reflection. So do not spend too much time summarizing the experience, just a few sentences so we understand what you're talking about, but then really focus on your reflection part, what that means. It means what you learned from the experience.
Right, what you learned from the experience, right?
Or was it pleasant, was it not pleasant, how you felt about it, what can you do about it in the future, depending on the question, of course. So you have enough time and you don't have to write too much. So take a moment to think about what exactly you want to write about and write a little outline so you have a clear structure of your paragraph.
Absolutely, I love those tips.
Yes, and Sylvia will be the SEC teacher in the July after the reading week.
Yes.
Nice. Those were great tips from Sylvia, so let's keep the momentum, keep coming to the SEC, and then you can enjoy your awesome reading week. I asked students what they are doing for their reading week. Let's see.
Okay, in this reading week, I will go to Vancouver to watch the World Cup.
Fantastic. Who is playing?
Belgium with New Zealand.
And who are you cheering for?
I support Belgium.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Let's cheer for them. And are you going alone or are you going with anyone?
Why will go to Vancouver? I'm alone, but I had my best friend in Vancouver. He's studying the UBC.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good luck. Hopefully you're gonna have a good time.
Please support Belgium.
Yay! Jeffrey, what about you? What are you doing during the reading week?
In my reading week, I plan go to the Westmore with my friends Kevin, and maybe we will try some interesting new things like the shooting.
Good. So to make sure that you're speaking a little bit of English, maybe we can try to invite some students from other nationalities.
Yeah,
to do
maybe
that.
I will invite my Japanese friends like Ito.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, he's my best friend. Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, boys, good luck.
And in this reading week, I will go to Vancouver, visit my family, and after that, my sister and my mother will come back with me back to Edmonton, and after that, they want to visit Banff or Jasper.
No matter what you are doing during the reading week, be smart and stay safe.
This is the final week before break. Are you excited about break?